Hello and welcome to Indian Vegan Recipes. My name is Mandar and it's 6:20 in the morning and we are right now heading towards Daman where cheap liquor is available over there. And why we are going, I'll let you know on the way. This is our bike and we're all packed and set. This is Amaya and he's the person who helps me with a lot of recipes. Even he has a few recipes on the channel. So this is my bike and the map is ready, so let's go. We are at Godbandar and as usual there's traffic over here. And only Amaya rides this way, I don't do it.
लग रहा है ये सब दिखाना नहीं चाहिए.
Let's go. So I'm gonna make a vegan beer video where I'll be covering all the beers that are vegan. डोसा वोसा कुछ
मिसल पाव शायद इधर होगा.
बटर नहीं लगाते ना उसमें. ठीक है, ऑयल ऑयल चलेगा, बटर नहीं चाहिए था. हाँ, ये चटनी में दही डालते हो क्या? चटनी में दही है आपके? नहीं ना. कैसा है?
ठीक है, नॉर्मल है. साउथ इंडियन मिसल.
साउथ इंडियन वेसल. ओके,
ठीक है, फिर भी देख ट्राई कर. This has a little bit of fermented taste.
एक्चुअली बैटर वो फर्मेंटेड ही रहता है, लेकिन
बट वो जैसे डिस्टिंक्ट टेस्ट है उसका. Decent. Even Amaya wanted to do a trip. So then we thought, why not do a trip, buy beers over there, which are available at extremely cheap prices. That is what we have heard. Now, what the exact prices are, we'll know once we reach over there. So now we don't plan to take any halts because it is barely 100 kilometers now. कौन सा था वो? So this is the end of Maharashtra. Oh, silencer किसका ना? वही था. अरे वो रुका रहेगा कहीं पे. चल कैमरा में आ गया एटलीस्ट. So now we are entering Daman and Diu from Gujarat. Right from where Daman starts, you are able to see the wine shops there. ये यहाँ पे फिर से wine shop. लाइनर का लास्ट टाइम ना उसने व्हील निकाल के अंदर से लाइनर साफ किया था, तभी गया था. कुछ नहीं है. And we're gonna finally buy the beers. ठीक है, किसी ने पकड़ा नहीं अपने को. हाँ स्मूथ है, पूरा स्मूथ.
So this was going to be my favorite video in this segment because I was expecting to get to drink a lot of beer for this video, but unfortunately because of some circumstances the numbers of beer got reduced drastically. I first contacted the major breweries, namely the first one was Submiller, the next one was United Breweries and Carlsberg. So these three are the major breweries that manufacture the top beer brands in India. Submiller manufactures Haywards, Knockout, Foster's and Miller. United Breweries, that is UB, manufactures Kingfisher beer, Kalyani Black Label, Sandpiper, Bullet, Super Strong, Zingaro and London Pilsner, often known as LP. And Carlsberg manufactures Carlsberg, Tuborg and Okerson. These are the three beers which Carlsberg manufactures. These three breweries brew majority of the beer that are consumed in India. So I dropped an email to all these three breweries saying that, I'll show you the email as well. Hello, my name is Mandar and I'm writing to you as I need some information about the beer that your company manufactures to check suitability for personal consumption. I'm referring to all the beers that your brewery manufactures, that is, and then referred to the beers specifically and said my questions are, the first one was, does any of your beer contain honey? Please specify the ones which do and do not. Does any of your beer contain lactose? Also please specify the ones which do and do not. Does any of your beer use isinglass for clarification or fining of beer? Again specify the ones which do not. If not, like if it doesn't consist of isinglass, then could you please explain me how the process of clarification or fining of beer is done by your company? Does any of your beer use glycerol monosterate? Please specify the ones which do and do not. And just to be sure that I did not miss anything, I asked the ultimate question that indirectly covers everything. I asked, does any of your beer use any sort of animal product, be it any organ, flesh, etc., or any animal byproduct, be it like dairy, lactose, honey. So the question covers everything that comes from animal. If in case I accidentally would have missed anything in the previous question, so I asked this one as well. And after I did that, none of the companies replied to my email. Literally none of the breweries did. So I had to call to their customer care number, and I first called Submiller India. Then I called United Breweries, UB, and this is what happened during the conversation.
और मतलब मुझे ये अपडेट मिला है जो अभी आपने इंक्वायरी डाला है,
हाँ,
ये कंसर्न टीम का कहना है कि ये सब कुछ क्रिटिकल है और कॉन्फिडेंशियल थिंग है, जो मतलब कैनॉट बी डिस्क्लोज, कैनॉट बी डिस्कस।
नहीं नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ जानना है उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स कौन से है, और इंग्रेडिएंट्स में प्रोसेस के लिए वो चीज़ यूज़ होता है कि नहीं होता है। मतलब मैं वीगन हूँ ना, तो मैं एनिमल प्रोडक्ट कोई खाता नहीं हूँ, कंज्यूम नहीं करता।
बाकी जो मतलब बातें हैं ये सब हमारे जानकारी में नहीं है, और कंसर्न टीम का कहना है कि ये कुछ कॉन्फिडेंशियल थिंग्स है, क्रिटिकल कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, जो कि मतलब कैनॉट बी डिस्कस, ये डिस्क्लोज नहीं की जा सकती है।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, चलेगा। वैसे अभी ऑप्शन ही नहीं है कोई और, फिर
जी
ठीक है चलेगा। थैंक यू।
ठीक है, ओके, धन्यवाद सर।
ओके।
Then I called Carlsberg, India, and then this is what happened, not during the conversation because the conversation did not happen at all. So this is what happened during the phone call.
Welcome to Carlsberg, India. Please leave your message with your name and number after the beep and press hash when finished. Thank you.
Sorry, the memory is full. Thank you for your call. Goodbye.
So last year when I had been to Pune for the Vegan Fest, Carlsberg was serving beers over there saying that it is vegan. Then I searched a bit on the internet and I then came across this blog which you are seeing on the screen right now, which also says that Carlsberg is vegan, and it also says that PETA says the same, that Carlsberg is vegan. So I choose to trust this blog and PETA as well and include Carlsberg in the list. Since UB did not reply to the email and to the phone call properly, I cannot assure you that the beers that United Breweries brew are vegan at all. So all the beers that are manufactured by UB are out of the list. Now we are left with Sub Miller, which manufactures Hayward's 5000, Miller, Foster's, and another beer called as Knockout, which was not available in Daman, where I bought all the beers from, and neither it is available over here. I inquired. I actually tried it once when I was in Navi Mumbai before, and so I'm a little bit aware of how it tastes. And Carlsberg manufactures Okosim, Tuborg, and Carlsberg beer as well. But because Carlsberg did not reply to the customer care number that I had called and also to the email, I cannot assure once again. And whatever content that I provide on the channel is something that I can guarantee is vegan, and I have done a lot of research before showing you the content. And just because Carlsberg had shown about the Carlsberg beer and not about the rest of the beers that they brew, that is Tuborg and Okosim, Tuborg and Okosim go out of the list as well. So we are left with 4 beers in total: Carlsberg, Miller, Hayward's, and Foster's. Knockout is vegan as well, but we weren't able to find that. And now I'm gonna try all of these and just show you which of it is my favorite. So first I'll try Miller's. So it smells a little strong. Oh, it is a little strong in taste as well, but not very strong that you're not able to gulp it down. But this one is just okay-ish. The beer that I tried now was Miller. It's just okay, not that good. The next beer that I'm gonna try is Hayward's, and they don't provide the seal opener on the bottle. This is Hayward's 5000. The smell is a little milder than Miller. Doesn't seem to be as strong by smell at least. By taste, it definitely is a lot stronger and harsher than Miller. This is very harsh and honestly not at all pleasant to drink. Even Foster's, at least the bottle that I bought, doesn't have a seal opener on the bottle itself. The smell is very mild. This is not harsh and neither too light. It is just the perfect beer amongst these three that I'm trying. Yes, not too harsh, not too light. I'm liking Foster's right now. Now I'm left with Carlsberg, which promotes themselves as vegan. Again, just like Foster's, not a distinctive smell, but slight थोड़ा कड़वा smell है. मुझे नहीं पता किस चीज़ का है. This is very smooth. Okay. This is as smooth as water. I'll show you something. This is extremely smooth and extremely light and doesn't have any sort of harshness at all. But you don't get the feel of the beer after drinking this. So if I had to choose my favorite amongst these four beers, it has to be Foster's. Then would be Carlsberg. I like Carlsberg because it's extremely easy to drink. Then would come Miller. And I wouldn't even like Hayward's in the list, but because it's vegan, Hayward's 5000. Also, I have tried Knockout and I think it would fall somewhere between Carlsberg and Miller. So Foster's, Carlsberg, Knockout, Miller and Hayward's 5000. And I think this video might be useful for all the beer lovers in India who are a little skeptical about which of the beers in India are vegan. So you now know which are. Do share this video with other people so that they will know कि उनको क्या पीना चाहिए next time से और क्या नहीं पीना चाहिए. So vegan beers. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. I try to make a lot of useful videos and cover a lot of useful stuff like this one. Have fun.